All right, there is a small neighborhood in Northeast Columbus that has also been having some problems getting their street plowed.
So instead of waiting on the city, they took matters into their own hands. 10 TV's Libby Cathy shows us how neighbors pitched in to clear the way.
I lived in New York, I lived in California, and this is by far and away the best neighborhood I've ever been in.
Trouville Manor is a small, close-knit community in Northeast Columbus.
It's like 68 houses or so, and everyone tries to help everyone in this neighborhood.
It has just
one entrance in and out.
After the weekend storm, this single entrance became a choke point, leaving cars stuck and drivers stranded.
This morning I got stuck, somebody else behind me got stuck, and then later on in the afternoon, I know a Amazon truck got stuck and another SUV.
So neighbors have stepped in.
We didn't clear enough space for one.
Shovels in hand.
A couple of cars are stuck, then we started shoveling them out and pushing them.
Or you hear the tires rolling, so we're like, oh, get the gloves on, here we go.
Also taking it upon themselves to clear the entrance after they say plows piled snow back onto their only access point.
Later on, we saw 3 gentlemen out there shoveling to kind of clear the front entrance of our neighborhood out so that we kind of had more of a grip to be able to get in and out.
Turning frustrating moments into a show of community.
We've all just kind of been coming together, getting cars unstuck. Yesterday we had an impromptu snowball fight with the kids, and then in the interim we would help cars get through the neighborhood.
Neighbors say they understand the city has to prioritize main roads like this one, so they're thinking of inventive ways to take care of their own here in the meantime.
The Amazon truck was really stuck in the court up there, so I went and got some plywood and put it under the front wheels, got him out, and gave him the plywood and said, you might need this later, take it with you.
My mom went in the house and got cat litter to help.
And for visitors, that help leaving a lasting impression.
One of the neighbors, came out and helped me, so that was super nice of them. He had me turning around and everything, but he shoveled the snow out from underneath the car and he somehow got me out of there. Thanks for being a good neighbor.
In a storm that's left many roads impassable, these neighbors say the way forward is together.
So I would encourage other neighborhoods to do the same, whether you know each other yet or not. This is the perfect time to get out there and help each other.
One shovel and one helping hand at a time.
Maybe less cars stuck now that we have a clear path, but hopefully we're putting that out in the universe, hoping for the best.
Reporting in Northeast Columbus, Libby Cathy, 10 TV News.